Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 728 for June 17th, 2023, starting out with my favorite starter word, R-A-I-S-E, raise. What a great start. I got the first two letters. They are in the correct position, the R and the A. Of course, there are a number of words this could be. So I'm going to use my strategy of using two consonants that go together and ones that go together with an H. So that would be CH, TH. SH, the S is not available, so I'm going to go with CH. And if I put CH at the end, here's what I get. R-A-N-C-H. I'll press enter. I hope this is the word. It probably is not, but it is a good start. There's no way that happened. Actually, it did. One of the very few times I get Wordle in 2 tries. But if you saw my strategy there, I kind of lucked out with raise. That's why raise is such a good starter word. I had the R and the A that I used my strategy of the CH or the WH or the TH or the SH. And I just came up with ranch, press the button, and look at this. It worked. I got it in 2. Today I am a Wordle expert. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.